Alright, dude. Here we go. Let's get it on. What are we looking for? That red dude? No, there's a guy right here.
Alright, 140-111-183, lined up, ready to go.
Yeah, so let's get to the pole line as quick as possible. Alright.
Green flag's up.
Go, 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 go! Yeah! Come on! Oh, F you, Wildcat!
Okay, next line. What are the numbers on the next line, Ethan?
Hammer down, hammer down!
The second line is going to be 159, 158, 119, and 100.
Alright, Yamaha's clear. I don't know where the Wildcat is. Oh, he's right behind us. You got this. Nice.
Next line.
Yeah. Wildcat's pretty fast. Yeah, they've got a pretty spicy 3-cylinder.
177 drop out then?
Yeah, you start.
Copy that. Okay.
I got a right
thank you.
turn coming up. Keep going, keep going. And right up that, yeah, right here, right here. There we go. Yeah. Nice. Miles an hour, 70. You're clear, not much behind us. I can't even see the Wildcat. Oh yeah. Oh, rocks. Go left. Yeah. There you go. Nice. All right. Woo! All in balls. Going straight, straight.
Let's go, come on. Stop it. Oh! Gotta be very careful of that one.
Dude, the suspension seat on that would have been brutal.
Oh, dude, yeah, I know. Oh my god. Oh, holy shit, dude. Woo! Wait, where was the blue arrow there? Dude, we almost fucking plummeted.
Oh, it's a Textron.
Yeah, that's 119. He didn't even start on our line, so he's definitely cooking.
What the fuck?
Oh shit.
What the fuck is backed up back there?
What are they doing? Is there someone in front of the orange car?
Yeah, I think so.
Are they, do you need to get pushed, do you think?
I don't know.
Oh man.
Alright. Go wide right.
Dude. Turning radius on the Talon's not so bueno.
Whoa! At least we're not in a four-seater.
Yeah, no shit. Dude, they just flipped.
They're okay.
Ask them if they need help.
Hey, you guys!
Oh, fuck yeah, they definitely need help.
Yeah, alright. Ah, shit.
It's weird, some of that...
Oh, stop!
Oh, no.
Hopefully the...
Oh my god. They just fucking drilled it.
Oh, my nuts.
10-4, mile marker 21, everything alright?
We're gonna do swing by the pit. We smashed the front end pretty good into a bunch of rocks. Make sure nothing's leaking.
10-4, we'll take a look at the front end, check for leaks. Is that you guys heading over to start finish right now?